Hi, I'm Jocelyn. I'm one of the managers here at Country Farms. As you can see, we're in our greenhouse. This is where we store a lot of our annual flowers. Annuals are a wonderful way to add a really nice pop of color or interest to any garden space for the season. They won't come back every year, but while they're in bloom, they're going to be a really happy addition for you. We have different varieties, whether you have a space that is in full sun or might be in shade. We've got an annual that can definitely fit your space. We have a really great variety of hanging baskets. These are perfect if you want a really good impact on your porch or near your mailbox. Something like this, for the instant impact that it makes, you can't beat it as far as the dollar goes. And again, with these, whether you have full sun or you have shade, we can certainly direct you in which way to go for the best hanging basket for you. And even if you want something that's low maintenance, we can find something that's going to be perfect for your space and make sure you get that impact that you're searching for.